One person, he don't sleep straight for accident wey pass for side for Bois de Senche. Na for Douala where this palava happen after wey motor wey dey comot dirty for toilet. E jam some Okada man wey all dem dey be go na separate direction. This afternoon we go try for bring una small for that image for side for Bois de Senche. Accident wey happen for this afternoon. Na so too we go take una, we go for place where dem call am say Marwa. We go enter for Marwa 2 council for talk say motor, at least 3 motor dem they don chakara inside the one motor. Na motor wey na mayor wey e dey comot on top chair for Marwa council. E be get this one na for sika say you dem for inside Marwa dey provoke say wetin mayor e be dey do for inside council house for night. Na the thing that will cause all the disorder for inside Marwa 2 council. To reset for this afternoon, we go take una, we show una as we 11 February in the Wakam for place them like Boya, Kumba, and even for Bamenda. For Douala side, we go take una go for Douala 2 for see as we Wakam this 11 February and Gando it happen. This story them plus chapter 2 and Kunkuma be come out for talk for young people them. We go bring them inside Tori for this afternoon. Big part talk in the tell we say person where he want stop war, you know the count na number for people the way they don't die. Say person where he want for stop war, you know the count na number for people them where they don't already die for sika the war. Big part talk he come out na for Oga Happy Daniel where he di shidon from Banga Mongo division. I dey turn back small time. Now with this amateur image from side for Bois de Senche, we'll go start story for this afternoon when an accident where it concerns some Okada man. Now you Okada that we hear say the Okada man be come up for side for Bonanjo or Bonaprise where they calm down. Now so too moto to where the come shit for toilet. He too it be the calm. Now so the moto it jam that man, the Okada man. So to the Okada man it die one time for place where this accident it pass. For side where the accident to be happen as we tori be enter for we EM, they try for talk for we say this so population or Okada people them they be want even enter for the motorway it jammy for Bonham bed na for sika say ketu then say they come quick na way they so they no burn the motor na motor that way the commercial for toilet na the motor that way jam Okada and the Okada man it die one time. Door for motorway they open they be want enter for put fire for inside the motor but last as well they seek to the camp. Oh man, he come out for outside. So case for one person who died today for 11 February. Side where they call him to say Obala, na just some small kilometers before you enter for Obala too. Now for there with this other accident, it happened as we Tori enter for we ear. Now some boy where he be for back motor for some Toyota. He locks back the motor where he did so as well the motor be the pass. Another big motor says he can pass. He drag that boy, he throw him for ground, then he walk up on top his skin. So he be then a big die, die where it happen just for corner before you want enter. So for that side, so for inside Obala, for you in the side, as we Tori enter, we hear plenty cry for people. Then say where they come see this boy a condition for place where this accident it pass. As well, I don't talk. It be there for back some motor. Now this kind of Hilux Toyota then way they get back place. The boy be shidon. You know be sabi say the way where the motor be the waka. The other big motor will be one pass for a corner. He go drag it close. As well he drag the boy close. He put it for ground. Now so the motor says he waka on top his skin for inside now for night where this accident it pass where population says come out. It be then a big cry near then says for roads they be come out for can see which way it really pass for that side. But after they finish make all the constar as so that they ever can hear which way happen. They write book for side where the accident pass. Now so to they carry die body for that young boy where we hear say he too he be come out for school. They carry him go now for hospital. Just now, we go take una enter for this other chapter. Now for inside Marwa 2, where this one it pass. Yesterday for night, it be hot. Now for dom up that, for Marua 2 council. Now Ketu den sesep, AC, now den sesep they be get for cam. Sote with the 2 moto, where it dey so. Young boy them for inside Marua 2, they see as we mayor, he enter for inside council. According to the young boy them, they see as we mayor, the one commoting them for inside council. They say the mayor, no be nice, so go remain like mayor for that side, so for inside Marua 2. So for Sikada one, population for Marua 2, some of them, they come out, they start make noise, jaga place for that side, so for inside Marua 2 council. Now Ketu den sesep they come out before they come out them for that side. Now dom up that for the council building where people them they be there for day. Make we take una enter for day in the proper. Marua for night, we no be sleep, we be turned back for this early morning time. Now the different in this way pass. Now moto that for Secretary General, for the mayor, for inside Marua 2, where the Chakada moto, even though say for Marua 2 council, they glass them all. As soon as now the thing that way it be passed for day for night, as we boy they enter for inside that place. Apart from the Secretary General, in moto where the Chakada, where it be turn up just for dom up for enter for inside Marua 2 council. As soon as the CM, Okada sese way dey like say na Okada wey na for Marua 2 council they be Chakada. Na do that wey the enter for inside the council building too, where they broke the lovers. According to these youth people, them young boy them, they talk say the mayor he don't lose votes, so automatic he no be even get for enter for inside that council. As way according to them, they say na sote when they put the new person na moto that for Secretary General for the council where they broke am right for inside Chakada thing them. Now only for inside the council place where all the one a pass so for night as well the Chakada moto for Secretary General. Apart from this red moto where una see and where the Chakada, the one we hear say na man na some company them private moto too where they park am for inside council house where we hear say young boy them for inside Marua the Chakada the moto too broke lovers too for moto only for Sika Vex where they claim say mayor he no be get for she done for inside office now. Now mayor own moto says that where they broke moto lovers broke even for bag Chakada all thing all the one only for Sika say the check say they the only can 15 them for inside council for Sika say they don't already commode them for chair. Now so the thing it pass for inside Marua 2 council. Just now we go take una go for place where they call them say Yato sesep it dey na for inside littoral but now for just for corner them where people there they look at water they fix water give am for people them for outside but people them for Yato sesep water no dey for some time when you see them they come also plenty now for say all man e one can carry water early so that they no go cut place where they even manage the water where they give am for them. So for early morning time for Yato now so you see am whether na the young boy them mommy and even old mommy them even young boy them small girl them all man e go them now only for go fight water they ask them whether the new mayor where they go don't vote e go come for can give them water. Now palava for wait and see sabi say the mayor them just now results e never come out official for sabi who be who inside the different council them for Kumba. One time we go land for that side so for Buba na village so under a Tombel but government primary school for Buba as so na the Siam na Kalabot na place where picking the learn book for side way picking the fee for learn they manage and just for corner na grass e flop for all sides as so na sesep una see am with una own crow eye side way block sesep e dey na lock mop grass e don flop ceiling e don Chakada zinc sep e don comot the kind of condition the way pikin dey take learn book if and only if they learn na condition for just cry on top this palava. We go enter now so for big day for 11 February. We go land first for Kumba. Now chief town for division. How the big day be pass? Cameroon flag for up. Oga Ntu Ndong Shambalen when Oga Ezio for Meme Ibidede and other big stranger them, the big people them for Kumba. Oman Ibidede for C as a big day it happen. Sabi say for C can say that they make them new grandstand for that side so for Kumba. They be Shidona for under canopy for C can say grandstand place where they use for make big make all the gando them as we Tori enter for here. They fix them so now the few people then that where they be waka pass. For that side, so they be make a match for pass for that side, so for Kumba. Palava for school them, no ask me whether school they be match. That one I know fit for talk. And even the one we see plenty of them. Now youth group where the waka, the match pass before. SDO for that side, so for Meme division. Tundong Shambalen and Sabi say for Sika Palava for insecurity. We see say all the three DO them they be there for the town normal all them they be get for the do their own 11 February for their own place, but insecurity it make them then say they no fit make their own 11 February whether na for Kumba 2 or Kumba 3 as way it the ever day. Now if Pikin they be match the question where people they ask now for whose side this Pikin they go buy even Adakwa Kuli or even Agidi. The whole place quiet oh. Just for corner be a place where they demand see where we turn up for far away. Now Kumba market that normally today he be get for open. Yes, he be get for open say me Pikin they can buy Adakwa Kuli, but no business man. You know they say for outside for even say Alaska for Pikin them. Oh man. It is fear na fear. Sika Palava say country Sunday. It is also happen for this. So if Pikin they be even match chef, they no go fit for sock Alaska. No nothing no go dey for picking them for Bayam. We go come out for Kumba. We land for place where they call them say Boyam. With this short image for that side. So for Boyam, we hear say population be come out, tired come out for make a work a mash pass for that side. So for Bongo Square, they want to say it happen now for under eye for big man for Southwest Bernard Okalia Bilai. We go enter in the proper for this 11 February for Boyam. When we turn back for some time for that side for Bamenda, we go talk with the photo now for inside some kind of condition kene way we Adolphe Lele Lafrique SSF Ibidede University for Bamenda. They no be fit for Shidon for house. Senajes they no fit too for Shidon for house, but I no fit confirm whether primary school them they be waka now people them with them for disarmament too with them too they be waka pass for the Adolphe Lele Lafrique Ibidede happen this match pass for side with the column say Bamenda. So now just so the thing happen, maybe for some time una go get better image on top way to way it pass for inside Bamenda for this 11 February. Now so how the thing to the waka for inside Douala, we get some first image for that side. So for Douala 2 or Amos. Okay, maybe we go take una enter for inside the Douala 2 just now for tell una say match pass 2 the waka fine for under Douala 2 and Sabi say Douala 2. Now one of the subdivision them for inside the littoral region as so na Sabi for here no tension in no day but it be dey na arrangement where people themselves them come out them plenty. Oh man, now for come see as with this big day, it go the pass for inside place where they call them say Douala to so the young get them and even the young boy them when at their big day. Oh man, it be come out for outside, even the big people themselves where they day for corner. Oh man, it be the day for try for check sense as with this big day it happen and now for face for a DO for inside the Douala 2 where arrangement SSF it happen. Chief themselves they be the day and other mammy them papa the way themselves they don't come for can look as with this waka or this match it go the pass. So for Douala 2 all thing it happen for day peacefully. No man we never hear say he get caught. No man he never make a me picking the run some kind of style. So match pass it happen better as so the talk so for inside the Douala 2 even as well the so senior people there they for corner side where themselves they don't come for can see as we school picking them they match for on top this big day. So maybe tomorrow tomorrow we go turn back in the proper on top that palava for 11 February and all the corner side them as we pass for inside all place we our item the 4 for day. Now sabi say before this big day sesep Nkunkuma be talk for a young boy and younger them as well they be glad for this their big day and una sabi one of the strong thing wey Nkunkuma be talk as well be the talk for young boy and younger them on top this big day it be day na palava for say make dem no smoke a strong cigar again as when Nkunkuma talk and Eddie talk say make Angomna make people them for college book too they turn up straight so that if you make thing they happen in the proper for say make this war thing it no happen again for school them. If be talk Asha too for that mathematics teacher where they be chuki so they he die and Nkunkuma too he be so talk on top palava for northwest and southwest he say they give another chance for young boy and get them where they don't hold up a gun say may they leave the gun for down so that they fit join them other come be them for outside for say make them try for see as way they so they go make Cameroon e go na only for before chapter for Binet for country Nkunkuma don't talk say true even as we tin them the trunk for country they be ton make so take 5,000 work them for inside we country and that 5,000 work now for say make a country it go for before and even as we tin the trunk he say Cameroon it goes also go for before by 2035 as so he don't talk and so general na palava for strong medicine them this mbanga way picking the smoke and knife where they take and go school when Nkunkuma talk say he go fight for say make young boy them and get them may they try for stop on top for do all that kind of thing them and for the one the way they deal with the gun for northwest and southwest he say make all man he levy gun he join for say may they make Cameroon a big. And sabi say as when Nkunkuma be the talk step so people the day where they so dey for inside bush plenty of them the day where they no go fit for march like this my sister them pa them they know the march but the one then one day they be get for march father he go meet up them right for inside bush for make prayer for them and on top that one he give them Papa God his skin Papa God the pikin his skin and even blood where they call them holy communion for inside bush now for that side for Teze village for under Gi sub division for northwest so for that go meet up then arrive for inside bush for make prayer with them then he give them communion for sick as say they never fit for come out for outside and as well you day it be the calm and so to teach them too they check sense say no be now only palava for the whole chalk for the teach for class now for sick why that way teacher them say they be do their own small damba now for that side so for fee for Sebek now for inside Bonaberry teacher them and people them for pep camp they be not current damba way be den and damba for you day they say no be na only for inside classroom they get for shidon whole chop mark picking them book they be nang damba you know be favor people them for pep camp as so here teacher them for Bonaberry they knock at people them for pep camp one not as we tori enter for we ears sabi say na just bobo damba for glad you day way it the pass today make we hear wetin wey Oga Egbe sese Prince Egbe he talk for we after we Ndamba sese be finish.
Not 11 February week, youth week, when the kind period come, it's fine for go out, bring friends left and right. When I see when I fish share together, like in schools, because we be pedagogues. So as we equally take our picking them meet other schools, do 1 or 2 activities. We the teachers too, we don't only dive for class with chalk every time. We get to learn how to do other extracurricular activities. So we go out, call friends, especially me, I be teacher. And I like teachers as a whole. So sharing a moment like this one with teachers, now my great pleasure. So now just the thing that way they motivate me whenever I be in the midst of teachers, it make me dreams high. We go create many more activities where we go do them together so that together we will be one. Now the unifying force that way Cameroon they talk about. So insofar as I get the strength, I will always do them. Me, I know stand the place to talk about my book being best. I just feel say I get for always to do my work since I be closer with teachers, and whenever I hear teachers they cry for classroom, I listen to their cry and then try to see as if it provide solution through the books they were they write for problems where they get them for their class.
Prince Egbe wey the talk for we man. Chief Robert Mukube as we teacher then said they say me they come out for inside class more for Nagdambatu for field. Now so we see Tori for this afternoon as we don't promise. Tomorrow we'll turn back. Maybe all the corner side them wait to a pass as we 11 February be the happen. When I go see him for inside Tori house. Big thank you for Amos, Fongo. Thank you too for Malis, Varios, Itu, Ihelebui for say make Tori happen fine. For some time, make man no run. Una all am tight for outside.